Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll just show you how to install the application after you purchase it from our website. So our website is www.expressmarketing.in. Right. So this is WhatsApp bulk messenger installation video. So that is the cost is there on the website. So we'll just get started with installation. So once you have downloaded, right? So it will be downloaded in zip format. You just need to unzip it and open the folder. This is the application. Just need to double click. Just say yes. Just click on next, next, next. Okay. Right. So after this, it will show you something screen like this. Okay. So you just need to copy this and revert back to the same email which you have received. Okay. So if you have not received, you can just email it to expressmarketing.in@gmail.com. Okay, just copy this code by clicking here, copy, and send this code to our email ID. You will have already received one email, that is the email from which you have downloaded the software, right? Reply to the same email. This code you can reply to the same email and send it. We will send you the license key. You just need to paste the license key here. Okay, then click on activate, it will get activated. Okay, so since my software is already activated, it will be on the desktop. So I'll open it. When you want to add WhatsApp account, the only thing you have to do is click on add accounts. One account is already added. I'll just show you so that you know how you can add. So just click on add. You can just give name whatever the name you want, just to identify, because once you have added, right, it will show all the names. So the previous name I have given Eagle, that is my company name. Okay, so if you don't want to give name, you can add, if you want to identify with the mobile number, at that time you can do it. So you can add the number also. So we have given enter account only alphanumeric or no special characters and no spaces. That means no spaces. You can use alpha and numeric. Okay, I will just show you one thing, I'll just put as marketing virtual. Okay, so it will be opened here. So once the Chrome is opened, it will ask you to scan like how you scan in WhatsApp web, right? So it is taking little time because it depends on internet speed also, right? So my speed is pretty much okay, but sometimes okay, when I'm using Zoom, it will take some time. So I'm scanning my virtual number. Okay, once it is done, it will show one confirmation message. Wait for until it will show confirmation message. Account has been added and successfully you can close the browser. So you can close. So I have added one here, right? I named it Express Marketing Virtual. So that means now you can use any of the numbers. I'll just close it. So installation is done and you have also added account, and you can watch the demo video how to use the application, right? So that's it. Thank you. If you find any errors, difficulties in installation, you can directly reach us on our number. So, so this is our website, and our number is here 6366505915. Okay, so thanks for watching video and like our channel so that we whatever we upload in future you will get updates on that, and we upload a database also. You can just check our YouTube channel and join our Facebook group. Thank you.